Today we're going to look at 2 different ways to make slime. For the first, here's everything you'll need. Measuring scales, a mixing bowl and spoon, around 200 grams of corn flour, food colouring, and about 150 millilitres of water. First, measure out your corn flour and place in the mixing bowl. Slowly add the water and mix together until it thickens. You should be able to run the spoon through the mixture, but it will harden when you tap it. Then add the food colouring and mix. This slime is much easier to make with just a few ingredients, and it is a lot more liquidy. The next slime requires a few more ingredients and some more time. You will need a mixing bowl, some PVA glue, bicarbonate of soda, contact lens solution, food colouring, a measuring jug and spoons. First, measure out about 150 millilitres of PVA glue. Add half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda to 50 millilitres of water and mix. Then add the PVA glue. Once mixed, add your food colouring to make the desired colour. Then we can start to add the contact lens solution. Make sure an adult is handling the chemicals and wearing gloves at this stage. Measure out about a tablespoon to add at the start, then add more slowly as needed. While wearing gloves, knead the mixture together. This can take a while. If the mixture is too sticky, add more contact lens solution. And there you go, 2 ways to make slime. Take a look at the Twinkl website for more experiments and activities for children.